Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial video, we will be learning how to find your user ID in Free Fire application. To find your user ID in Free Fire, first of all, open up your Garena Free Fire application on your device. Now, go to your profile picture at the top left corner and tap on it. You will then be able to see your gallery. To find your user ID, go to the right hand corner and look for the UID option. Tap on the copy button right next to user ID and you will then be able to copy your user ID, which is 9 to 10 digits long. You can then easily share your user ID with your friends, and it can also be used for friend requests, supports, or other features. So that's how you easily find your user ID in Free Fire application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.